Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Mazda CX-9 key battery. Start by removing the mechanical key and opening the fob seam with a flat tool. Carefully pry the case apart to expose the old CR2025 battery and note orientation. Remove the old battery and insert the new CR2025 with the correct polarity. Reassemble the fob, test the buttons, and ensure the remote locks and unlocks the vehicle properly. Use the small release tab to slide out the mechanical key and set it aside. Insert a thin flat tool into the seam and twist gently to separate the fob halves without cracking plastic. Work slowly around the edge until the two halves pop free and expose the battery compartment. Keep track of any small springs or pads so they return to their original positions during reassembly. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidying up while you work a breeze, and it helps keep small screws and workspace crumbs out of the way during repairs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you're curious, it's a great time saver. Now let's get back to the video. Remove the old battery carefully and note which side faces up so you insert the new CR2025 correctly. Use a plastic pry tool or your fingertip to lift the cell out, avoiding metal tools that could short it. Place the new battery in the same orientation, pressing gently until it seats. Reconnect any small pads, align the fob halves, and snap them back together before reinserting the mechanical key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.